This is a jet engine, one of the 4 powerful units that will propel a heavily loaded passenger plane through the air at speeds that at one time would have been considered the height of folly. And this is a jet-age airport. As you can see, skilled and expert mechanics go over every part of the engines and test every phase before the great ships are certified ready for service. Nothing is left to chance. Inspectors examine the motors almost piece by piece before passing them as ready for use and ordering the plane to the loading area. By this time, the ticket office and reception room are full of people picking up their reservations or buying tickets. The plane taxis into position, and now the business of further preparing this airship for her flight can proceed. It will be checked out instrument by instrument by the experts who have just serviced it. But that's only the start. It will be fueled until its vast tanks are brim full. Luggage must be safely stowed aboard, as well as the other components that make flying such a great thrill. A well-known caterer will supply choice food for hungry passengers, and their comfort will be of first consideration by the crew. Time is approaching for the takeoff. The crew will board first and check to make certain all is in readiness before the passengers start filing in. And even though the ship has been checked and rechecked, the officers will check once more to make positive everything is A-OK. Now it's time for the passengers, and this is a great moment for those who are taking their first ride on a 4-engine jet. There will only be a few hours of comfortable and exciting flying, and they'll be on the other side of our country. A well-trained corps of stewardesses are ready and waiting for the passengers. They'll see that they are properly seated and strapped in for the takeoff, and will also provide for all their wants and answer their questions during the trip. Now everyone is on board and the door is closed. The loading ramp is wheeled away and the signal given for the plane to take off. Slowly it starts for the runway, getting instructions from the tower as it does. The pilot accelerates the engines and the wheels grip the cement. Next thing we know, we're airborne and headed toward the clouds.